Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall League of Legends, or LOL as the kids call it nowadays, okay? So League of Legends is easy to install, and by the way, if you're watching this on your MacBook or any other devices rather than the one I'm using right now, a PC with a Windows setup, please stay on the video because it's literally the same process, okay? Now let's get started right here. So as you can see, I'm currently on my Microsoft Edge. Actually, I'm not gonna use it, it's just for background. Now, basically head onto the search bar right there, search on Control Panel, and as you can see right here, there's a Program section. Under Program section, there should be an Uninstall Program. And now basically it will give us the list of programs we have on our PC, which are the games, applications, and so on and so forth. The thing we need to do right now is just to look for League of Legends, and as you can see, it's just right there. Now to uninstall this one, just really right click on your mouse and click on Install. If you click on this one, your PC or your Windows is just gonna ask you, are you sure to uninstall League or League of Legends? Of course, we're gonna click yes. And then just simply click on yes, and then League of Legends will be successfully uninstalled on your PC. And that's how easy it is, okay guys? So thank you so much for watching, please hit the like button, subscribe, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.